Alright, the Petits are doing a little science/PE lesson. Walking on a nature walk on our 80 acres of Petit Row farm with our dog Rosie, Gibson, Grace, and Luke's coming behind Mr. Petit. But Grace is going to be our teacher, and we're writing down what we see and hear, feel, smell. We might not taste anything out here, but the five senses, we're going to try to use, let's say, most of them. Got 80 acres out here, beautiful land. There's our house way up there. And we're taking a nice nature walk today. So again, keeping these Petit kids busy, and we're writing down things about the five senses out on our nature walk out in the country. Hope everybody is well. Mr. Petit misses everybody, and we will see everyone soon. Have a good week.